Hello everyone, my name is Dina Lar. The Laricos are like family to me. Kuya Bok and Ate Inday are my lifelong mentors. I've known J.I. since he was a baby. I often took care of J.I. when he was a kid. I thank Kuya Bok and Ate Inday for all the years they trusted me to look after J.I. whenever they needed someone to take care of their son. So I developed a close relationship with J.I. Through all the years, J.I. affectionately called me Mama Dina. And he loved to tell everybody that I am his second mama. Sometimes I scolded him, but he still loved me genuinely. J.I. taught me how to love unconditionally. J.I. has always been one of the sweetest persons in my life. He would always give me a very tight hug every time we saw each other. I will miss those hugs now. I have a lot of good memories with J.I. Let me share a few of them. When J.I. was in grade school, his class had a field trip to Corregidor Island. He wanted me to be the one who accompanied him, since the field trip required only one guardian. I was so happy to fly to Manila from Davao just to accompany him on his field trip. And also, whenever Kuya Bok and Ate Inday had international conferences outside the Philippines, sometimes they could not bring J.I. with them because he was not allowed to be absent from school. J.I. would tell them, "It's okay if I do not go with you, Mama and Papa. I just want Mama Dina to be here with me." So, flying to Manila from Davao was always a good trip for me just to be with J.I. My last time bonding with him face-to-face was 2 years ago when the Lauricos had an extended visit with me and my husband here in the U.S. Their beautiful 8 days visit was so precious to me. J.I. and I had our times of close bonding together in the kitchen every morning while I was cooking everyone's breakfast. I never thought those 8 days would be our last time being together. J.I., thank you for all the years calling me Mama Dina and loving me genuinely. I love you so much. Life here on earth will not be the same without your presence. I thank God for the privilege you give to me to be an important part of your life. Your presence here on earth was always a manifestation of God's love. God is so good. You will remain in my heart forever. Thank you.